you doing?
I'm just putting my shoes on.
Are you going to the track or what?
Yeah.
Well, come on.
Well, I will be there shortly.
I mean,
there's a bunch of stuff to do.
Dude, there's so many cars out there talking about they're going to drag you tonight. It is unreal.
I hope they do.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And we've got the co-pilot tonight. Grace, what in the world are you eating? Let me see. Oh, God, yes. Okay, so here's the deal. It's Friday night. It's really hot. But Ken, somebody needs to drag Speed Addict 731 Ken down the track. And, you know, he's been talking a lot of mess all week. And you heard him earlier. Oh, I hope somebody does. Well, you know what? We're on our way. And my car is like this close to being able to do it. But unfortunately, it's not. But my plan is this is going to be the last time I actually go to the track. And I don't have the Fox. So this is going to be...
hopefully.
Yes, this is going to kind of like be the last time the Fox doesn't go. But anyway, let's get out to the track. All right, guys, so we have arrived. Gracie, what do you think?
I really don't know.
She doesn't know, but yeah, okay. So, current situation, we're definitely early. As you can see, it's like still light out. But as soon as we pulled up, we see this turd. So, Philip. So, you've got your lug nuts, you got your lug wrench, you got your jack.
But no impact.
No impact?
Like the third week in a row, I forgot my impact.
Dude, you gotta get on the ball though.
I know.
But, Grace, what do you think? Is it gonna run tonight or what? We'll see. We'll see. We'll need to pull some tires tonight. But, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. And, you know, Ken always cries that I don't get out to the track very often. And Ken is not here. Ken complained all week. So here I am. Ken is not here. Drop a comment below if we should ban Ken from the channel completely. Okay, so an hour and a half later, as you can see right there pulling in the gate is Ken. And Ken was rushing me, like I said earlier. He was rushing us, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He's like, are you coming? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna be at the track?
And
there he is, an hour and a half later. Ken.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You're gonna be late to your own funeral.
You're right, I am.
Like, seriously.
I hope I never get to it.
Like, all week, you've been crying, are you going to be at the track? Are you going to be at the track? Are you going to be at the track? All day. Today, guys, he asked me about 15 times if I was going to be here.
Because you only came 3 times this whole season.
Okay. Now, hold on. Before you go any further. Okay, so you got the big pile of bird off the hood.
Yes.
Good for you, Ken.
Yes, Dad.
Good for you.
Yes.
Now we get to wait an hour and a half for it to cool down, right?
Go off my car.
Okay, well go park it, because we're not waiting an hour and a half to cool it down.
Okay.
Get out of here. I think Ken's got that nervous look on his face. Ken, are you nervous?
What?
I think you're nervous.
Oh, of course not.
Hold on, where's the solenoids? I know they're in there. They gotta be in there somewhere. It's all motor, just cam only, right? I mean, Ken comes over. He's looking.
Says the man with the 69 supercharged Camaro.
So when is the grudge match? Is it going down?
Whenever he gets ready.
Because Ken needs at least 2 hours to cool down every time we go to the track. No, she looks plenty stout though. She ready to roll?
All motors.
I don't know, Ken.
One of these days I'll get big boys. If I keep it running long enough,
Right. All right. It's clean though. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight Ken might get hurt tonight. I don't know. We'll have to see. Drop a comment below if you think that Ken can outrun the built Camaro. I don't know. We'll see. Who knows? Grace, what do you think?
I don't know either.
We'll have to see.
Yep. See us. Why? Because it's ridiculously dark. But Ken actually just raid a really good pass, which you got to see. And the air was like, the air is kicking tonight, dude.
It shifted, for some reason it shifted early. It shifted out of 6300 and still runs 730s.
Okay, so we need to go in sport mode. Hold on, let's check out the time.
So that was track mode. That was track mode, but for some reason it wanted to shift early, but I think I'm gonna let it shift it myself and paddle shift it.
7:36 at night. Yeah, dude, you definitely got to paddle shift it and like see what it does. Grace, how did you feel about that pass? That was a good pass, right? Ken, I approve of that pass. Sorry for the lighting, but this is the situation right here. We've got Philip right there in the Coyote. Right behind him, we got the 392 Hemi. Then we got the white LS Camaro. And I'm really seeing like a total like best 2 out of 3 of all of them. What do you think, Ken? Ken? What? Yes?
We're gonna let them run, dude.
I mean, what do you think is gonna be? Who is the beat? Is it the Coyote, the LS, or the 392 Hemi?
Man, they're all pretty good. I really can't call which one, but I'm gonna go with Coyote because
Ken's feeling indecisive tonight, ladies and gentlemen. So we're just gonna have to. And he's trying to get behind me. I know better. All right, Philip. Let's see. Moment of truth.
I ran a 795 at 91.4 miles per
There
hour.
it is. 795. Sorry for the lighting. Dude, that wasn't bad though. Like even though the line lock keeps acting up on it, it was good though. I mean, it was moving, dude. It was moving down the track.
Dude, at the very end, it got a little swirly. I was like, uh-oh.
Well, dude, you can see it in the video too. Like at the very end, it looks like you dodged something. I was thinking there was still like debris on the track or something, but that was a good run.
I appreciate that.
That was a good run. Now we need to go for that, like the 6 and the 5, whatever.
All right, I'll watch it.
Done. All right, so the question is, does Ken have something to be worried about?
No.
No? Is it not running good? Well, I'm not gonna put you on the spot for your time.
We don't get it though. We don't get it though.
I hear you. What all's done to the car? Is it just stock bottom end, heads cam, something like that? Okay.
It's all stock.
Cool.
Yeah, stock intake.
Yeah, fast stock intake. Hey, I may be a Coyote guy, but I can spot them.
Yeah, that's
Is it? Okay. Yeah, so she's plenty healthy then.
Yeah, I'd have some tweaking to do though.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's Bob.
Ken, You look nervous, Ken.
No, no.
Ken, I think you're nervous.
But, like, was neck and neck. He didn't.
Ken, what are you doing?
I'm talking.
Oh. Who's this guy?
Talking to the import guy.
Oh. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is an import guy. If you Google import guy, this not just kidding.
Of course, I am import guy. Look it up in the dictionary.
No, dude. Seriously, your Mazda runs good. Gotta love that turbo though.
For stock.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
I agree.
And
Hold on, you got carbon fiber up there, dude.
it's just a wrap.
Oh, okay. Dude, I was all excited about the carbon fiber, and then you just totally ruined my mood.
Getting a carbon fiber hood scoop and wing extension though.
Okay. Well, so I'll catch you next time.
All right, yeah, man.
Perfect. Oh, you're gonna tell. Ken, you're gonna tell. All right, guys. So it's been a kind of a crazy night, and Ken's actually really wanting me to do some filming, get some video of his car. So if you want to see who wins, if you want to see who actually runs the best, the LS Camaro, Philip or Ken, you gotta go check out Speed Addict 731, see who wins. But that means you better have them all videos in there. Philip, what are you doing? Yeah, I know that was scary. I'm really sorry for that extreme close-up.
We just broke that camera.
But, and by the way, he's back, and the Fox is here too. And Chris will hopefully be at the shop when we put the car together. And anyway, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will be back with you tomorrow for Coyote Fox.
Coyote Fox.
Yes.
Coyote S550, baby.